Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about the latest picture leaks about the Motorola Razr 2019 smartphone. A photo came from a Chinese website Weibo.com. Yesterday a flurry of leaked photos showed Motorola upcoming Razr posted for a press pic, but now a picture has surfaced on a Chinese Weibo network claiming to show on the while Sunniton posted this picture saying it was the real thing, showing the device a fully unfolded in someone's hand. The chunky bottom chin is on a fully display and what appears to be a notch at the top. Talking about the launch event, Motorola Razr 2019 floatable phone may launch at November 13 Los Angeles event. The classic re-emerged. The Motorola Razr 2019 floating phone may be launched at the Los Angeles event on November 13. However, it's always good to have another proof of the phone existence, and what's better than live image. A Weibo user posted a live photo of what appears to be Motorola Razr 2019. It's hard to miss it with that bulky chin, clamshell design and all-screen surface on the front. Given that there is already someone using the phone for a testing, it's a good indication that the handset will hit the market pretty soon. Perhaps the initial rumor of a December launch is not as far-fetched. We don't have much information about the Motorola Razr 2019 price. Our only information on pricing for the new floatable Motorola Razr come from the original Wall Street Journal reported that puts the upcoming handset in the $1,500 range. Thought that the price will have the 2019 Razr well below the $1,980 Samsung Galaxy Fold or $2,600 in Huawei Mate X. $1,500 will still be considerably more than the $1,099 iPhone XS Max and $999 Galaxy S10 Plus. Nevertheless, it's understandable that the floatable design will command a premium price above today's standard slab flagships. So at this point we heard all about its purported $1,500 price, mid-range eye space, and of course the flexible screen inside the mid-range bring back the classic feeling of snapping a phone closer to end a call. Yesterday a picture also showed that the device could be used by touch with it floatable close thanks to the control and small screen on the outside, that also useful for taking selfie. With less than 2 weeks to go before Motorola Planet Press event on November 13th, we can only wait and see what else leaks out before the device is officially revealed. So that's the news for now about the Razr 2019. I'll update more about this phone, but let me know your thought in the comment section below. If you like the video, thumbs up, and for more tech related video, hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.